Hello, this is Troy Galloway, owner of Galloway Building Services, and I would like to take you on a little journey of commercial building inspections that we did. Actually, we did these 3 buildings at the same time, a big project. As you can see, we have the ice cream shop. Now watch us go down through here. Not only are we inspecting the parking lots, but you can see the different styles of roofs. You can see our air handlers. We inspect all of these sections of it. Not only are we inspecting the inside of the buildings, of the components, of the hot water heaters, the roofs, the ceilings, the floors, all of that, but we also inspect the exterior, and you can see it's got a nice new roof on it. You can see also we've walked by the license office. What that does is showing us that whenever we are in places that are being used by people at the time of our inspections, how we are user-friendly and we stay out of their way, make sure we can still get what you're looking for at buying your property, but also making sure we're not bothering anybody and everybody's happy and we work with everybody. Now we're going down there. We got that big complex right there. Now we're going to move across the street. This was all part of one sale. And we're going down here and you see we got a different style roof system. And this takes us down here, shows you the parking lots, shows you the street lights. It just goes to show just some of the buildings that we have done. If you ever need a commercial building inspection, we specialize in them, and we would love to be the one that takes care of you. We will give you a discount for taking your time to watch this. And thank you for watching our videos.